Every living thing begins as just one tiny cell. But how does that single cell multiply to form an entire human body? The answer lies in two magical processes, mitosis and meiosis. Let's explore how these two work together to keep life growing and evolving. Hello everyone, I am Archana and you are watching QED, that is quite easy done, where science becomes simple, smart, and super interesting. Mitosis. Mitosis is the process that helps our body grow and repair. From healing a wound to replacing old cells, mitosis keeps us alive and strong. One parent cell divides into two identical daughter cells, perfect copies ready to do their job. Another one is meiosis. Meiosis is a little different. It's the reason we all are unique. This process creates gametes, sperms, and egg cells, each carrying half the genetic code. When they combine, they form a new and unique life. Isn't it amazing? So, mitosis builds and repairs your body, while meiosis builds the next generation. Two different processes and one wonderful purpose that is, the continuation of life. But wait, where do these amazing processes actually takes place? Inside our body? In every cell or in some special ones? Want to know? Stay tuned for part 2. This is Archana and you are watching QED. That is quite easy done. If you love learning with me, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And for a deeper understanding, watch my detailed video on this topic where I can explain each stage of mitosis and meiosis step by step in an easy and interesting way. Because here, science is always quite easy and done.